In this session, let us see about Pandas references. Pandas data frame references. All properties and methods of the data frame object with explanations and examples. See the property method and description. Apps method. Return a data frame with the absolute value of each value. Add method. Adds the values of data frame with the specified values. Add prefix. Prefix all labels. Add suffix. Suffix all labels. Ag method. Apply a function or a function names to one of the axes of the data frame. Aggregate method. Apply a function or a function name to one of the axes of the data frame. Align method. Aligns two data frames with a specified join method. All method returns true if all values in data frame are true, otherwise false. Any method returns true if any of the values in the data frame are true, otherwise false. Append method. Append new columns. See here, like that all methods and properties mentioned here. The description, follow this and try each and every example in your editor. See, follow all this method: apply map, apply, assign, as type, at method, access method, bfill method, bool method, columns method, combine first method, compare method, convert data types method, cur method, count method, cow method, copy method, commax method, comin method, comproud method, comsum method, describe method, diff method, div method, dot method, drop duplicates method, drop level method, drop na method, dtypes method, duplicated method, empty method, equals method, evil method, explode method, ffill method, fill na method, filter method, first method, float dive method, g method, get method, group by method, gt method, head method, i8 method, id xmax method, ilvoc method, index method, infer underscore objects method, info method, insert method, interpolate method, isin method, isna method, isnull method, items method, iritems method, ite rows method, Tuples method, join method, last method, le method, loc method, it method, keys method, kurtosis method, mask method, max method, mean method, median method, melt method, memory underscore usage method, merge method, min method, mode, mul, ndim method, ne method, nlargest method, not na method, not null method, n smallest method, uneq method, pct change method, pipe method, pivot table method, pop method, prod method, product method, quantile method, query method, rad method, rdv method. Like this, follow each and everything. Slowly pause the video and practice each and every method in your editor. Okay friends, this is end of part 15, Pandas references. Next video let us learn about another topic, scientific Python. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.